So I'm going to be doing a split color, Dutch pour. My base coat is going to be white. It's my regular Dutch pour base coat. If you haven't seen how I mix it, I'm going to link the video up at the top for you, and you can go and have a look and see exactly how I mix the base coat. Now this is a bluish gray. I've used white acrylic paint, and I've added some Payne's gray to just a tiny bit of Payne's gray until I got to the color that I was looking for. So mixed in the same way as I've mixed the white. And then the colors I'm going to be using is a mauve and a dioxazine violet. I'm going to be using a bronze and a gold. I will be using a magenta and a pearl red. And I'm also going to add in some yellow. All my colors today are the Dala brand of paints. So I'm going to layer my base coat, and then I'll talk to you as I layer the colors again. So the gray is going to be at the ends, the two ends, and the white is going to be in the center. So I'd like to do the white first. So now that the base coat is laid down, I'm going to torch it just to get all those air bubbles out. Awesome. So my colors, dioxazine violet, the next color is magenta, the next one is bronze, then I'm going to do mauve, I've got some gold, some yellow, just a hint of the yellow, and then I'm going to end off with a pearl red. All my colors are Dala colors. Those are looking beautiful already. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Let's blow this one out. My blow dryer is set on the first setting on cool air. Right, let's do this. Beautiful. I always giggle because it's such a surprise and the excitement is just unbearable. You literally hold your breath while you're blowing out this dutchpour. So let me use my tubing just to touch up some of the areas. Gorgeous. Love it. Just love it. So I've been playing around with the painting a little bit more, and I've broken up a lot of those solid edges just using my finger as I'm showing you now. I just felt that the painting was lacking a lot of movement and that those solid edges looked a bit too stuffy. So I've just been dipping my finger into the edges and moving that paint around a bit. And I must say, I like it a lot better now. So let me just play around a little bit more, and then I'm going to bring you down for your final close-up view. Just liking it a little bit better with a much more fluid or flowing edges. Really like it better this way. There we go. Not going to do anything much to that. I've already given it a torch. So let me bring it down now for your close-up view.